Hello, my dear kids. Today we are going to learn about a very beautiful pillar of Islam called Zakat, the pillar of sharing and caring. The third pillar of Islam is Zakat, which means giving to those who are in need. Allah has given us so many blessings like food to eat, clothes to wear, toys to play with, and homes to live in. But not everyone has these things. Some people don't have enough food, warm clothes, or even a safe place to stay. That's why Allah teaches us to share a small part of what we have. This is called zakat. When we give, we are not losing anything. In fact, Allah gives us more blessings in return. Zakat also cleans our hearts. It removes selfishness and fills our heart with love and happiness. It reminds us that everything we have is a gift from Allah and we should always be thankful. So, my dear kids, always remember sharing is caring and caring makes Allah happy. Now, tell me, my little stars, what is the one thing you can share today? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beautiful Islamic lessons. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.